Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Art with Hita. So in today's session we'll be learning on how to paint a mini canvas board, and the materials required are a canvas board, brushes and acrylic paints. I'm starting with my first layer of coating with red, yellow and orange. It's a sunset based theme with coconut trees. Once I'm done with the first layer, I wait for my canvas board to dry and I start with the second layer of putting the same colors, that is red, orange and yellow. After this, I'll be putting black color for the land and I'm using black color for the coconut trees also. The sky and the land should be done using a flat brush and the coconut trees are to be done using a round brush. I'm using varnish here to give a bright look. Using this is very important as it beautifies your painting. Hope you like this session. Do try this out and tag me in your videos and follow me on Instagram at HITHA_ISHINI. Thank you.